If you love Japanese food like miso soup, teriyaki, or even ramen, you've already tasted fermented food. But did you know that most Japanese households keep 4 to 5 essential fermented food in their kitchen at all times? Hi everyone, I'm Mana. I specialize in cooking for gut health. Today, I'll show you the must-have fermented food that every Japanese kitchen uses. Plus, one secret fermented food that most people outside Japan have never heard of. So are you ready? Let's get started!
Let's start with the most familiar, shoyu or Japanese soy sauce. Unlike Chinese-style soy sauce, real shoyu is naturally brewed and fermented for a few months. It's rich, balanced, and full of umami. In Japan, we use it in everything, not just dipping sushi. And later in this video, I'll share a recipe using shoyu that comes straight from my mother's kitchen. It's simple, delicious, and vegan-friendly, a comforting dish I grew up with. Next is miso, fermented soybean paste. There are many types and every miso tastes different. It's packed with probiotics and adds natural umami to anything it touches. This is Mirin, a naturally fermented rice wine with a gentle sweetness. It adds that subtle balance in Japanese dishes like teriyaki, simmered vegetables, or tamagoyaki. It's perfect when you want to add natural sweetness to your meals, and because it contains a small amount of alcohol, it also helps mask unwanted smells like fishness while bringing a depth to your cooking. We also use rice vinegar a lot. It's gentler than Western vinegar and gives sushi rice that signature tang. But it's not just for sushi. We often use it in dressing or light dishes. It's especially helpful when you want to cook with less sodium, because when you add rice vinegar, it brings a sense of savory balance even with less salt. And later in this video, I'll share a tofu recipe from my 94-year-old grandmother's kitchen using rice vinegar, one of the most comforting and refreshing dishes for summer. And this is my secret ingredient, Sakekasu. It's the creamy fermented rice left over from sake brewing. It's packed with prebiotics, protein, B vitamins, amino acid, folate, zinc, and umami. You can use it in soups, vegan cheese, smoothie, and I use it in almost every video on this channel. Here is a quick summer recipe using Japanese fermented ingredient, tofu with a refreshing miso and rice vinegar sauce. This recipe actually comes from my 94-year-old grandmother. I love this combination. It's tangy, cooling, and so satisfying. Even on hot days when I don't feel like eating, this is the exception. It's light, gut-friendly, and the perfect way to enjoy tofu in summer. Now, let me share a nostalgic dish from my mother's kitchen. Tofu steak with soy sauce and mirin. Our whole family loves this recipe, and you might be surprised. It's made entirely from plant-based ingredients. It's incredibly simple, but full of depth. The soy sauce brings rich umami, and the mirin adds a touch of natural sweetness. I seriously cannot stop eating it. I think you are going to love this one. Would you give it a try? How did you like these Japanese fermented foods? Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and see you next time!